gonna feed my addiction this morning and possibly go get something. Got a couple tools in the trunk and the battery. Let's get going. Alright guys, taking off. This is one of the largest things I'll be dragging home. Yeah, pretty close. Well, see you in a little bit. Make it go away! Make it go away! Well, driving through the Twin Cities is always all kinds of fun, guys. Just love it, you know? Driving on these kind of 4-lane roads. Been driving this thing for about an hour. Typical Cummins. Doesn't make any heat. Hasn't blown up yet. Doesn't sound 100% though. Well guys, I didn't do any video while I was getting this thing running. I didn't know how the seller would feel about being on camera and whatnot. But here's what I drug home. An F800 cube truck. It's got a lift gate on the back. I don't know how long it is. It's 13 feet high from the ground on up. Got the roll-up door in the back and whatnot. But I didn't really care about any of that. The only thing I really cared about is what's under the hood. This is a 95. It has a Cummins in it. But just like everything I drag home, it's got an issue. It at least needs exhaust manifold gaskets. And it has what seems like a misfire on one of the cylinders. So I'll have to go and do a compression test on it, do a pop test on the injectors and whatnot. Go from there, see what happens. I don't know what tranny's in this thing, but it is a 6-speed manual. And this is a 95. They use this dash for many years. See, there's the newer radio. Well, sorry I couldn't get more video, but thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Take care and God bless. You wanna run them?